The Women's International Zionist Organization, also known as WIZO, is Israel's leading organization for educational and social services, promoting an equal society for all. Founded in 1920, WIZO is supported by a global network of 250,000 volunteers across 38 countries. WIZO reaches the most vulnerable populations, with 167 daycare centers, 8 schools, including 5 boarding schools, foster homes, elderly care centers, and shelters and hotlines for victims of domestic abuse. Constantly focused on the needs of the day, WIZO stands with the people of Israel and is committed to investing in Israel's future. Since October 7th, the WIZO Emergency Fund has supported a variety of initiatives. By supporting the home front, WIZO is enabling soldiers on the front line to be fully focused on their mission.
We are all reserve soldiers. We all have families back home. Whenever we knew that somebody's taking care of our families, we knew we can focus on the task in hand and focus on winning the war.
Since the war began, WIZO Florida has been directly involved in supporting Israel through projects such as renovating bomb shelters in schools and daycare centers.
There were many of our centers that didn't have enough bomb shelters for all the kids, and a number of centers that didn't have shelters at all. And the centers that don't have the bomb shelters, we couldn't open them at all. And parents cannot go back to work if they don't have somebody to care for their children. WIZO Florida has been providing us with donations to not only renovate existing shelters, but also making sure that the existing bomb shelters are attractive, fun play spaces for the children. We've turned a lot of these rooms into our nap space because if there's an air raid during nap time, the kids are already there. We don't have to move children in that are sleeping.
I'm really thankful that my kindergarten has a bomb shelter. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to work.
בזכות ויצו פלורידה, אנחנו ממשיכים להתנהל בשגרת היום-יום שלנו, שילדים ימשיכו להגיע למעון בביטחון. זה נותן גם ביטחון להורים. הם יכולים ללכת לעבודה. הממ"ד ממש הציל אותנו כמעון וכבית לקטנטנים.
בתחילת המלחמה לא היה לנו מספיק מקום לכל התלמידים והצוות, ולכן רובם נשארו בבית. בזכות ויצו פלורידה, ששיפצו פה את המקלטים, אנחנו הצלחנו להבטיח מקום לכל התלמידים שנמצאים פה בבית הספר, בטח במשך היום.
WIZO Florida is proud of what has been done thus far. But Israel still needs our help with building and renovating more bomb-proof shelters in daycare centers, youth villages, and schools.
Even today, we still have 15 centers that don't have bomb shelters. So it's essential that we find a solution.
בזכות התרומה של ויצו פלורידה שתהיה לעוד 2 ממ"דים, אנחנו בכלל נהיה רגועים פה. גם התלמידים וגם צוות המורים, אנחנו כולנו רגועים שיש פה מספיק מקום לכולם, ואז הם הרבה פחות לחוצים.
Considering the psychological trauma of the war, WIZO Florida is also raising funds for therapy programs in our schools and villages.
Since October 7, the anxiety level are going up, the demand for therapy is going up, and also there is a lot of alarms. So the therapy in this time, it's critical for the students because the ability to speak about the traumatic event when it's close by time to the event, it's avoid the PTSD that can't come later. The therapy is very important as well for the staff and also for the parents.
People here care about our mental health and about our feelings. Anytime we want, we can ask for some time to talk to some social worker, anyone we want.
To provide a space for essential psychological and emotional support, WIZO Florida will be funding the renovation and transformation of an existing building at the Nachlat Yehuda Youth Village. This will allow for a holistic approach to maintaining mental health for students.
The multi-purpose center will be a place that we can give our students and our staff and the parents psychological therapy, also for body and also for the soul. It will be with art and with sport, also group therapy and also one-on-one therapy. It will help the students to build the resilience and to be independent and strong civilians when they will graduate. And it's our responsibility to give them the tools to do that.
When Israel succeeds, we all succeed. With your help, we can bring these vital projects to life, and in the process, impact many lives. The people of Israel need you now.
Thank you for investing in Israel's future.
Thank you for investing in Israel's future.
Thank you for investing in our future.
תודה שאתם משקיעים על העתיד שלנו.
Thank you for investing in my future. Can you please help us with getting better food?